Hidden Cafe Kanchanaburi is a beautiful, lakeside cafe surrounded by the peaceful scenery of Tha Thung Na Reservoir. Nestled among green mountains and lush forests, this popular destination offers visitors a chance to relax and enjoy nature at its finest. The moment you arrive, you are greeted by breathtaking views of the lake stretching across the horizon. The calm water, fresh air, and endless greenery create a relaxing atmosphere that feels far away from the busy city. Every corner of the cafe provides a stunning view, making it a favorite spot for nature lovers and photographers alike. The cafe features a modern yet cozy design that blends perfectly with its natural surroundings. Large windows allow guests to enjoy panoramic lake views while comfortable. Indoor and outdoor seating areas provide the perfect place to unwind. Whether you choose to sit beside the water or inside the stylish cafe, the scenery remains the star of the experience. Hidden Cafe offers a variety of coffee, tea, refreshing sodas, and specialty drinks. Enjoying a cold beverage while overlooking the reservoir makes every visit even more enjoyable. The peaceful setting encourages visitors to slow down, relax, and appreciate the beauty of Kanchanaburi's natural landscape. One of the highlights of the cafe is the incredible lakeside viewpoint. The reflections of the mountains on the water, the gentle breeze, and the surrounding greenery create a picture-perfect scene throughout the day. As the sunlight changes, the landscape transforms, offering a different kind of beauty from morning until evening. More than just a cafe, Hidden Cafe Kanchanaburi is a place where nature, comfort, and stunning scenery come together. With its beautiful lake views, relaxing atmosphere, and refreshing drinks, it has become one of the most memorable cafe destinations in Kanchanaburi, and a perfect place to escape and enjoy the tranquility of nature.